some biscuit, little friend? Would you like some biscuit? I've got some food. Okay, so this is like the third time this little guy has come in here, and also he's been shooed out, and it was like a couple of days ago, and I thought it was the end of the story, but no, he came flying back to the windows. He was like, "Hi, I'm here, hi." And now he's come back inside on purpose. I had to open the door for him to come in. Oh, goodness me, he's flew by my ear. Come on, darling. So gorgeous, having a little scratch. Okay, so right now, yesterday I think I saw a fairy. It was the first time I've seen a fairy in real life for quite some time, a long time, ever since James took me to the river. And then we've also got the two of the tiniest birds I've ever seen in the sycamore tree. And oh, he's gone. Right, I'm going to leave him some food. I'm a bit nervous about leaving food because there is the cat who loves me and he likes to come here too. What I'll do is I'll put some up here, like right on the tip of that. That's a little crumb of a biscuit.